Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to record and send instant video messages in WhatsApp. So let's begin. You want to open WhatsApp application and let's go to chat that you want to use, and in order to record and send video notes you want to find a camera icon. I have it right here, but there could be the situation that you don't have this camera icon. Then you want to tap on your microphone icon once and then you will see camera icon. So let's long press this camera button and you want to simply hold your finger in order to begin recording, and you will see this timer at the top, and when you're done simply release your finger to send automatically. And also there is a hands-free method, so let's press and hold finger once again and then you want to swipe up like this, and as you can see video goes on. As well, you can turn back your camera, you can use your back camera, and as well you can pause your video and you can preview it once again. And if you do not like it, if you want to re-record this video, then tap this trash bin icon in order to cancel this video, and you can record video once again, or simply slide to cancel just like this. So that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video.